Hi, Jimmy here from QuikTap, here to talk to you today about the cleaning and maintenance of your QuikTap tabletop dispenser. Okay, so one of the most important things with your tabletop dispenser is to keep it clean after use and make sure everything is clean and sanitized for when you're ready to use your QuikTap tabletop dispenser. First thing you're going to do is you're going to take off your gas regulator, make sure it's in the off position, take it off. Undo the faucet, pull the pressure release valve to make sure that there is no gas. It's empty, so you can take off the lid. I like to fill the keg on your QuikTap tabletop dispenser about halfway full, which is about a gallon, with 120-degree water. The chemicals we like to use are by 5-Star Chemical. We use the powdered beer wash, and we also use the Star Sand. Also available on our website. Once you have your mixture complete, add the lid to your keg. I like to pick it up. It's okay to shake your keg when you don't have the regulator attached. So once you've shaken up your solution inside the keg, attach your regulator and your faucet assembly. Hear the click, know they're engaged. Pressurize your keg. It doesn't really matter what pressure you put your keg at. You just want to be able to dispense the liquid through your faucet. I take a bucket and just start running your cleaner through. I also like to use a faucet brush that comes with our Cocktail on Draft cleaning kit. Make sure you swab it out. I pull the handle, let some liquid in. That's for a quick clean. If you've got some stubborn liquid of any nature that you want to get off, I recommend taking it right off and soaking it in the same PBW mixture. Let it soak. So once I run some cleaner through my faucet, I disengage my regulator assembly, set it aside, pull up the pressure release valve to get rid of any CO2 that's inside the keg so we can take the lid off. Take it off. I also like to soak the lid as well. Once you have your lid open, I like to take a non-scratching pad that I can reach my hand right inside. And I like to scrub all the insides, make sure you get it all clean. Give it another shake, and then you empty out the solution, then we'll go to Sanitize. So once you've rinsed out all of the PBW, it's time to sanitize your tabletop dispenser. Once again, we use the Star Sand from 5-Star Chemicals. Follow the manufacturer's recommended use on the back, and we're going to use about a half an ounce for about a gallon's worth of liquid. So once you add your sanitizer and have your lid on, again, pick up the keg, give it a good shake to get the sanitizer mixed about. You want to make sure that the faucet handle's off. Install your faucet assembly. Install the regulator assembly. Pressurize the unit. Get your bucket. And run your sanitizer through. Once you're finished running your sanitizer through the keg, go ahead, unpressurize your keg, take the lid off, dry the lid, empty the remaining sanitizer out, turn your keg upside down, and let it dry thoroughly. That's how you clean your tabletop dispenser by QuikTap.